As devotees, it is very important for us to be grateful, especially as devotees, because through the knowledge we have in Krishna Consciousness, we should be able to understand that there are so many reasons, unlimited reasons why we should be grateful to Krishna for everything. Lord Krishna is supplying everything that we need. Even if we say that because we are working, we use our intelligence, we have our strength, we use our knowledge to get everything we have. There are certain things which we cannot claim that because of this I am the proprietor. For example, we don't pay for air. Even if we pay for oxygen in the hospital, we are not paying to Krishna for that, and the doctor cannot produce oxygen, or the material which produce the oxygen is not made by the doctors. So as devotees, it's very, very important for us to be grateful to Krishna in many ways. And to help us facilitate this, we should visit hospitals. If you visit hospitals, you will see there are millions of people who are lying in the hospital today, spending a lot of money, who are better than us in any way. A majority of them are not going to get out of the hospital after spending so much. They will still leave the body. But we are not in that situation today. We should be grateful to tell Krishna, thank you every day. Or we should also visit a cemetery or crematorium, because we also see many people who have left their body today are better than us in many ways. But we still have our life to show gratitude and appreciation to Krishna. Some of us who have position today, we should know that there are millions of people who have a better qualification than us, that doesn't have the facilities we have today. So it is not just because of our qualification, but it is the costless mercy of Krishna. So we should be grateful for everything. We should be grateful to Krishna because without the mercy of Krishna, no one can escape the prison house of this material existence. The prison house of material existence. Nobody can escape it. For anyone to escape this and come to Krishna consciousness is a costless mercy. And for some of us, it is very difficult to really understand how is the costless mercy of Krishna. But we will know it is the costless mercy of Krishna when we come to understand the meaning of conditioned, or the meaning of entanglement, the meaning of material existence. Our acharyas and the scriptures describe it as forest fire, which is burning everyone. Only by the costless mercy of Krishna and his pure devotees that we can escape this dense darkness that we are all experiencing in our life, either material or spiritual. So when we become grateful to Krishna, it will help us to make unlimited advancement. Because now we are appreciating that yes, whatever is happening to me is a costless mercy of Krishna, because there are so many people who are not having the opportunity I have today. So many people are not having the same experience I'm having. So devotees should be grateful. Many people have given up giving donations or being charitable to people because they feel not appreciated. But Lord Krishna, who has been maintaining us since time immemorial, never complain about our nonsense activities. He's taking care of us. If Krishna is so wonderful, it is our duty to feel grateful to Krishna for everything. We should feel grateful to the special master for everything. And when we feel grateful, we will appreciate them, and that is the way the mercy will come unlimitedly to help us become successful in our practice of Krishna consciousness.